Hello you guys. So I have finished with the kitchen and I'm moving on to this wonderful staircase. And by wonderful I mean the worst. So it basically pokes into the middle of the room, is poured concrete, and we're not going to be able to remove it for at least a year or two. And so I'm going to utilize it as best as I can. What that means is I'm going to build it under stair storage. Not your traditional one, I'm going to basically hack it because the format is garbage and I'm going to try my very best to make something of it. Initially the plan was to get every material from scratch, get it from the lumberyard, build a base, build drawers, build, you know, the whole shebang. But after going to the lumberyard, the prices are pretty expensive and I didn't really want to spend that much money on something that's going to last for a year or two. So the next best plan was to try to find something ready-made. Again, the format is really garbage. This width and the depth is just something that is not very standard. But as it turns out, we have these very strange built-in closets, and they came with these units that have drawers. And it so happens that they fit perfectly. They have exactly the dimensions that I need to fit under here and to fit under here. So as you can see, I've already started with the process, which is bringing them down. I removed all the drawers, I removed the drawer pulls because I would like to turn this into a shelving system because that's just more practical because it's supposed to be for storage for the kitchen and I just really dislike drawers and having plates and cutlery and whatnot in drawers. So they also came with a wood panel that sat on top, which I have already taken apart, and I have sewn it with my new power tool, which I'm really happy about, and a different review will follow at some point. But as you see, I have already cut that to size, and I have added this base layer because this was open since it was a drawer. And now I'm planning to install brackets in here so that will be support for my drawers, because again, it's for kitchen, it's for pots, it's for pans, there's going to be considerable weight on them. So I have 1.8 millimeter MDF, and that's going to be drilled and glued into this onto these brackets for, as I said, an added support. These two are also recycled from the wardrobe because also the wardrobes are going to get a big old makeover because they're weird. So basically 80% I'm hoping to be able to recycle from those wardrobes. Yes, so as I said, I've already installed this. Next step is I've already drilled pilot holes and countersink built holes into this. I'm going to install this and then I'm going to see if I have any more wood lying around that I can cut into a shelf for this. That is the first step, and the next step is this here. That is the second unit that I have. This too I have gutted, and as you can see here, I have not put a floor because I'm not going to need it. I'm going to cut as much as I still have space here to then put this on top of that for a second shelving unit. And then for the rest here I want to install shelves, but I haven't gotten there yet, so well, we'll wing something. Well, that did not go according to plan. My wood split. I think the mistake was that I used my power tool to try to drill in my screw, which was too much power. So yeah, what I decided is I just glued it up and I took the other side, I swapped it around, had an outfit change because that made it better, and did new pilot holes, new countersink holes, and attached it by hand. So that seems to have done the trick, and now we do the other side. They glued it. if this doesn't fit, I'm not gonna give up, but I'm burning something down. Wish me luck. I hate this fucking staircase. It is so uneven. I already shorted everything by a centimeter and it still doesn't fit. I just want to scream. It's too hot. I'm done for the day. This can go get fucked right now. I said it can go get fucked, but here we are. I made it fit. It only took me 3 more tries. And I'm done for the day, for sure, and truly now. I just need to put the backing in, and then I don't want to look at this thing ever again. I mean, I will, but not today. See ya.
Off camera, I built a shoe rack to which I also added my pink dowels and made a backsplash with the marble vinyl to hide the view into the back of the staircase. This entire build was more challenging than I expected and definitely brought me to the edge of despair. But I'm pretty proud of what I achieved and it serves the purpose it was built for. I might add more to it in the future, but it will do for now. I hope at the very least I managed to entertain you a little bit on this journey of mine and that you will join me again in the future. Love it or hate it, do let me know what you think in the comments and maybe consider liking and subscribing. Bye bye!